If you want to change wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy S25, we need to go to Settings, then over here go to Wallpaper and Style, and then you can choose Change Wallpaper. Over here we have some of the featured wallpapers that we can use. If you have photos saved in the gallery, then you can choose them over here and set them up as well. And we also have some more options below. So for example, we can go to graphical and we can set anything that we wish to set. And then we can choose if you want to set it for the lock screen or home screen or both. So you can uncheck if you don't want to apply it to some of these screens, to any of these screens, and then press next. In this case, we have the lock screen preview. We can press home button at the bottom in order to switch to the home screen preview. So we can switch between lock and home screen previews like this. In some cases, some wallpapers have some additional customization options at the bottom. In this case, there are none. And once you are done, press done in the top right corner. And also remember that you can change the position of the wallpaper as well in some cases. Once again, in this case I cannot, but you can move it around in order to readjust. And you can also zoom in and zoom out. So press done in the top right corner, and that's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!